Can I design a similar thumbnail like A4? Designing an attractive thumbnail to boost views and likes on videos, I decided to create top YouTubers' thumbnails. Let's start designing a thumbnail. If I design this thumbnail at least 60% similar, then drop a like and do not forget to subscribe.
Cause without you